Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest in beauty science and skincare innovation. If you've been searching for a powerful yet accessible anti-aging solution, today's review might be exactly what you need. We're talking about Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Facial Moisturizer with SPF 30, alongside their Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Under Eye Cream. These products are designed to fight fine lines, wrinkles, and other visible signs of aging. But do they really live up to the hype? Let's dive in. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair line targets some of the most common skincare concerns, offering both a daily moisturizer for the face and neck and a specialized under-eye cream. The facial moisturizer comes in a 1-ounce pump bottle, and the under-eye cream is packaged in a convenient 0.5-ounce tube. These products are both formulated with retinol, a powerful anti-aging ingredient that accelerates cell turnover, along with hyaluronic acid, which adds a burst of moisture to the skin. What makes these products stand out, though, is the added SPF 30 in the moisturizer, something not always found in retinol products, as retinol can make your skin more sensitive to sun exposure. Using these products in real life has been a straightforward experience. The facial moisturizer has a lightweight, smooth texture that absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. It feels hydrating yet not heavy, making it suitable for daily wear. The SPF 30 is a nice touch, offering added sun protection, which is essential when using retinol products since they can make the skin more vulnerable to UV damage. The under-eye cream is equally easy to apply, with a creamy consistency that feels soothing and instantly brightens the under-eye area. I've used both products for over a week, and I've definitely noticed some visible improvements. The moisturizer gives my skin a smooth, plump look, and my wrinkles, especially around my crow's feet, have started to appear softer. The under-eye cream has noticeably reduced puffiness and dark circles, which is something I've struggled with for a while. Now, no product is without its drawbacks. For the facial moisturizer, I did find that my skin initially experienced a slight purging phase, a typical side effect when starting a retinol regimen. However, after a few days, the irritation subsided, and my skin began to feel more refreshed. On the flip side, the SPF 30 in the moisturizer is a great addition, but it doesn't hurt to apply an additional sunscreen if you plan on spending extended time in the sun, just for that extra peace of mind. As for the under-eye cream, while it does brighten and smooth the skin, I didn't see miraculous changes to the fine lines around my eyes, although they did soften slightly over time. When we talk value for money, Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair line is priced in the mid-range for drugstore skincare. Considering the amount of retinol and hyaluronic acid in the formula, along with the inclusion of SPF 30 in the moisturizer, it's fairly priced. However, if you're looking for something more potent in terms of anti-aging ingredients, or if you have sensitive skin that reacts to retinol, you might want to look at higher-end options with different formulations. As for product alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget but still want effective results, there are a few affordable retinol products on the market. For example, Olay's Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer offers similar anti-aging benefits at a lower price point, and it's known for being gentle on the skin. The build quality of both products is solid. The moisturizer comes in a pump bottle that dispenses the perfect amount with each use, making it hygienic and easy to control. The under-eye cream tube is also compact and perfect for travel, making it convenient for those on the go. Now, I didn't have any direct experience with Neutrogena's customer service during my testing, but I can say that the brand is generally well regarded for responding to customer queries in a timely manner. They've built a solid reputation in the skincare world, and I've always had positive experiences with their products. As for product updates, it looks like both the facial moisturizer and under-eye cream have been consistent in their formulations, with no major changes to the products recently. To sum up, Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Facial Moisturizer with SPF 30 and the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Under-Eye Cream are effective, affordable anti-aging solutions, especially if you're just starting to incorporate retinol into your skincare routine. The moisturizer is perfect for daily use, providing hydration, anti-aging benefits, and sun protection all in one. The under-eye cream brightens the area and helps with puffiness, though it might not deliver dramatic results for fine lines. If you're looking for a solid everyday retinol product that won't break the bank, this line is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've used any of these products, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.